Why don't seniors play hide and seek? Because the moment they hide their dentures, they forget where they've put them. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on dentures for seniors. Tip 1. Regular cleaning. Dentures, just like natural teeth, require daily cleaning to remove food debris and plaque. This helps in preventing staining and bad breath. Use a denture cleaner, avoid using toothpaste as they can be too abrasive, and a soft bristle toothbrush. Tip 2. Proper handling. The material used in making dentures is delicate and can easily crack or break. When cleaning them, always do this over a sink filled with water or a folded towel to cushion the fall, just in case they slip out of your hands. Tip 3. Regular checkups. Visit your dentist regularly for professional denture cleaning and to check if the dentures still fit properly. As you age, your mouth shapes may change, thus causing the dentures to loosen. Loose dentures can cause discomfort, mouth sores and infections. Tip 4. Soak overnight. Dentures need to stay moist to keep their shape. When not wearing them, usually overnight, soak them in a denture soaking solution or in warm, not hot, water. Tip 5. Proper nutrition. Even though you have dentures, it is essential to maintain a balanced diet for overall good health. Eat a variety of soft and hard foods to prevent premature wearing of the dentures. Tip 6. Say no to abrasives. Avoid using stiff-bristled brushes, strong cleansers, and harsh toothpaste, as these may scratch or damage your dentures. Opt for soft brushes designed specifically for dentures. Tip 7. Be wary of temperature. Dentures can warp if exposed to hot water or any other hot environment. Always use warm water for cleansing and soaking. Tip 8. Avoid certain foods and drinks. Certain foods and drinks like coffee, berries, wine, and tobacco can stain your dentures. It's vital to be mindful of this when consuming these items. Tip 9. Rinse after eating. Always rinse your dentures with water after each meal to wash away food particles that could lead to staining, bad breath, and other oral problems. Tip 10. Limit denture adhesives. Denture adhesives can help keep your dentures in place, but usage should be minimal. Excessive use can be harmful and can indicate that your dentures don't fit appropriately, a problem that necessitates a dentist's intervention. Tip 11. Use special cleaning solutions. It's best to use solutions specially designed for dentures, not regular toothpaste or household cleaners. These special solutions are formulated to effectively clean dentures without causing damage.